Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 GMC Acadia SLE all-wheel drive, stock number Z9943A. Only 40,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Acadia brand new, champagne silver metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Again, only 40,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6. 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.